In this quick video, we're gonna see how we can create a video montage using Canva, and it's gonna be totally free, so it's gonna be fast, easy, and free. So we're gonna start here with the home page. So we're gonna go directly into the video. Now, in previous videos, we saw how we can use vector graphics, images, and now we're gonna work with videos. So you can see we have many templates that we can use. So we can start, for example, to create a video using Facebook videos or Instagram or other TikTok or LinkedIn and other social network. So I'm gonna choose here the YouTube video, which is essentially a full HD video. So it's you can see down here the resolution and pixels. So this is the most popular format. So I'm gonna click here, and this is gonna create an empty Canva. So the first thing you could do is upload videos. So you can see that I already uploaded some of these videos. So if you want to upload other images, videos, audio, and you can see here that you can connect and upload from other like cloud services like Drive or Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So just click here, choose the video that you want to upload. So I'm gonna upload another one here, like this one here or this one here. Okay. So it's gonna take some time because videos are heavier than images. So you can see here this progress bar, and also it's gonna show you this little icon, which is kind of filling. And when it's finished to fill the circle here, the video will be uploaded. So in the meanwhile, you can do something else. For example, upload other images or upload, work with the photos that you can find in the database of Canva, or you can add some text. So I'm gonna start with adding titles here. So I'm gonna click here, double click, and edit this. So I'm gonna call this holidays, and here I'm gonna type Iceland, and you can customize this as we already know. You can also change the background. Okay, and then you can see down here you have a series of slides. So you can, for example, if you want to start with image, you can go here and start to drag and drop images inside. Now you can use this also as a background for your page, and you can edit the image just as we already know how to do. So if you're interested, check the previous videos of this course. Now I'm gonna drop down the transparency a little bit. Okay, and so let's go back to videos. Just as I drag and drop images, I can drag and drop videos. So I can click here, drag and drop, drag and drop, and drag and drop. And here you can also change the duration. So if you want to shorten this, you can click there and shorten the various phases. Now you can also create a sequence of images instead of creating a sequence of videos, so a video montage. So I'm going to shorten everything so that I can create a really small video montage. And also, if you want, you can right click and split. So you can divide this clip into two and then click and drag and rearrange the various clips. So it's pretty fast again and pretty handy. Now another interesting feature is that if you click here, you can add a transition. If you click on the plus icon, so I'm gonna add here some transitions just to experiment a little bit and try them out. And you can also set here the various types of transitions. So you have options for all of these, like the duration, and you can just go here and figure out yourself. It's pretty easy to understand. And also you can, if you want to animate graphics, so you can animate vector graphics, you can animate images, and so on. So to do that, you just go here, and it's going to show you the animate. So for example, here I can add a fade in. Okay. And so you can press play here to check a preview. And when you're ready to complete and download your montage, you can go up here and click on the share button. So you can share the project with other people, perhaps a colleague or your team. You can copy the link, you can paste it, you can share it, you can go here and share it on social networks, again, like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn. Okay, but if you want to download it, just click here. Now you can download this in MP4 if you want the audio and everything. And MP4 is the most popular format, so you can then use it in Premiere Pro or other video editing software, or like After Effects for video effects, or you can export this in a GIF, so animated image, so you can use it again in social network or websites. So I'm going to choose MP4 and click on download, and now the video is gonna start downloading here. So when this progress bar has finished, we're gonna have the video and we can play it on our computer, we can send it, we can save it, we can do whatever we want. We can also bring it in once again and re-edit it. Okay, so this is gonna go into your download folder in your Windows or your other operative system, so you can open it from there, or it's also gonna appear, if you use Google Chrome, it's gonna appear down here at the bottom left. And there we go. Now you can see it appeared down here, so I can click on the arrow and open it up, or I can just navigate into my folder and open it up. And you can see this is full screen, and now it's already started, so I can see the video montage with the various transitions and everything else. And there we go. So I think this is a pretty powerful web app. So it's running entirely on the web. You don't need to download and install anything. So I think this is a great advantage, and it's totally free. And you can see how quick it is to generate a video montage. So I believe this is a really interesting tool for those of you who are just starting to create like video montages. You want to understand how it works in general. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to send us a little thank you or a little support, you can join the channel as a supporter and check also our other videos and other courses in the channel. So thanks for watching. If you want, leave your comments, questions, suggestions, anything that can be useful to the community. And this is it. Thanks, and see you in the next video.